Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ram 1500 without a key. The only truly safe and effective way to regain access to your locked truck is by contacting a professional locksmith. Attempting to force entry yourself can lead to costly damage to your vehicle's paint, windows, or intricate locking mechanisms. Trusting an expert ensures your truck remains intact and secure. Professional locksmiths possess the right tools and expertise to open your Ram 1500 without causing harm. They often use specialized slim jims, air wedges, or long-reach tools to carefully manipulate the internal locking components. This precise approach avoids scratching your paint, bending door frames, or damaging sensitive electronics, ensuring a clean and efficient entry. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're on the go or at home. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. While it might be tempting to try opening your truck yourself with household items, please resist. Using tools like coat hangers, screwdrivers, or wedges incorrectly can easily scratch your paint, dent your door, or even damage the electrical wiring inside. These DIY attempts often lead to expensive repairs that far outweigh the cost of a professional locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.